Best locking tonneau covers protect truck cargo from theft, weather damage, ensuring maximum security, durability, and peace of mind always. My today's video is about top 5 best locking tonneau covers for maximum security that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at generic retractable tonneau cover fit. This premium tonneau cover is specifically engineered for the Toyota Hilux Gun 125, 2016 to 2025, delivering a perfect bed fit with seamless rail integration. Its low-profile design enhances the truck's original styling while adding serious functional value, making it ideal for both work and lifestyle use. The built-in dual-side locking system ensures strong cargo security, preventing unauthorized access while still allowing quick and smooth access when needed. This balance of safety and convenience makes it highly practical for daily operations. Its smooth retractable mechanism operates effortlessly, and the compact canister design improves rear visibility when fully opened. The advanced all-weather sealing system protects cargo from rain, dust, snow, and harmful UV rays, ensuring year-round reliability in harsh conditions. Installation is quick and tool-free, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications. With its durable construction, strong security features, and weather resistance, this tonneau cover is a smart long-term investment for protecting valuable truck bed cargo efficiently and stylishly. Now our second product is 10-layer truck cover waterproof all-weather. The Yoyolor waterproof car cover is a thoughtfully engineered all-weather protection solution designed for reliable vehicle safety and long-term durability. Its precise size selection system, supported by detailed charts, ensures users can easily find a perfect fit for their vehicle model and manufacturing year, minimizing guesswork and improving compatibility. Even for uncommon models, the supplementary sizing guide helps ensure a proper match. Built with a 10-layer composite structure, the cover delivers excellent resistance against rain, snow, dust, and harsh UV rays. The upgraded PIVA material not only keeps the vehicle cool in summer, but also enhances long-term weather protection. Inside, the soft cotton lining prevents scratches and protects paint integrity while avoiding residue or ice buildup during winter conditions. Safety and usability are further enhanced with windproof buckle straps, reflective strips for nighttime visibility, and ventilation openings to reduce moisture accumulation. A front logo marker also simplifies installation orientation. Overall, it is a durable, secure, and highly practical full-coverage car protection system. Our third product is Tozero Sierra Truck Cover Custom. This heavy-duty pickup cover is specifically tailored for the GMC Sierra 1500 regular cab long bed, 2002 to 2018, ensuring a precise custom fit that enhances full vehicle protection without loose areas or poor coverage. Designed for versatility, it performs well in everyday parking, long-term storage, and harsh outdoor conditions. Built with premium multi-layer construction, the outer PE layer delivers complete waterproofing, while the internal aluminum membrane significantly improves durability and extends product lifespan. This makes it a dependable long-term solution for truck owners who need year-round protection. The design focuses heavily on usability and protection. A driver's side zipper allows easy cabin access without removing the cover, while the double-layer cotton interior safeguards paint from scratches. Reinforced windproof straps at 3 points ensure stability even in strong winds up to Beaufort Scale 9 that engineered for all-weather defense. It resists rain, UV rays, heat, wind, and dust. With added accessories like a storage bag, towel, and a 24-month warranty, it delivers strong value and reliability. Now number 4, Cars Cover Custom Fit 1998 to 2018 Dodge Ram. This premium custom fit truck cover is designed for the Dodge Ram 1500, Dodge Ram 2500, and Dodge Ram 3500 crew cab, 1998 to 2018 6.5-foot short bed, offering a precision-tailored fit that hugs the truck body closely for maximum protection and a sleek appearance. Built with heavy-duty, all-weather Ultra Shield material, it delivers strong resistance against rain, snow, UV rays, and dust. The fleece-lined interior adds an extra layer of care by protecting paint finishes from scratches and daily wear, making it ideal for long-term outdoor storage. Practical design features enhance usability and security. Attached buckle and strap systems ensure a firm hold even in windy conditions, while side grommets allow the option for cable locking for added theft protection. Dual mirror pockets and a custom-shaped cut ensure a snug, factory-like fit without unnecessary looseness. A free storage bag adds convenience for transport and storage when not in use. Overall, this is a durable, secure, and well-engineered all-weather protection solution for serious truck owners. And our last choice is Cotravox GMC Sierra Truck Cover Custom Fit. This Cotravox truck cover is precisely engineered for the GMC Sierra 1500 regular cab long bed, 2002 to 2018, 8.15 foot, delivering a tailored, snug fit that ensures full body protection without loose gaps or wind lift. It is designed for owners who need reliable long-term outdoor shielding in all climates. Built with heavy-duty multi-layer construction, the outer PE shell provides complete waterproof performance, while the internal aluminum membrane enhances durability and extends product lifespan. Seam-sealed waterproofing further strengthens resistance against heavy rain, dust, and UV exposure, making it suitable for year-round use. The interior features a soft, double-layer cotton lining that protects paint from scratches and prevents surface damage. Practical design upgrades include a driver's side zipper for easy cabin access, eliminating the need to remove the entire cover for quick entry. Reinforced windproof straps positioned at 3 points ensure stability, even in strong winds up to Beaufort Scale 9. Combined with included storage accessories and a 24-month warranty, this cover offers strong value, durability, and dependable all-weather protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.